I want to give smoke in food in front of the guest, which is totally unique in first time in Kolkata. Right. Cherry wood flavor in this red ribbon chicken. How's the flavor?
I thought I had the best burgers at Siliguri, at Bohemia, and they are really good. Really, really good. This is now Kolkata's best burgers which you're gonna get. For start to হয়ে গেছে।
Boy? হচ্ছে না, হবে না।
কি হলো? I'm right now outside Kolkata's first cafe, which is actually smoking the food right in front of the guests. I wouldn't tell you anything more about this place. Let's quickly hop inside and show you the place. Alright, so this place is very close to the EDF hospital and very close to South City Mall. This is what the menu of the place looks like. Alright. So you have your starters over here. Pretty reasonably priced, as you can see. You have your kebabs, some sandwiches, then comes the burgers, smoked and grilled, as it's mentioned over your live smoke. So all of these items will be served with the smoke on the table. Then you have some herb and spice rubbed grills. You have your lobsters. Indo-Chinese food. Some more of the Indian gems before we move finally to the desserts. Some beverages, hot as well as cold. Have the first two starters of the day. We have a prawn popcorn as well as some fiery chicken wings. Let's start with the popcorn first. This is so juicy. This is insane. It comes with some carrots, cucumbers, and a dip. Next up, some chicken wings. It's well cooked. I would have preferred this to be a little more juicy, for sure, but it's fresh. So the crew for the day, we have Orgho.
Hi.
And Shoptik assisting us with the shoot, and we have Himadri assisting us polishing off the food. এই শক্তিকের লাস্ট ভিডিও 35,000 ভিউজ হয়ে গেছে ফেসবুকে আমি শেয়ার করার পর। সব তো খাওয়া কিছু
ঠিক আছে ডান খাও ইলিশ মাছ তোমার
পাক্কা জল দিয়ে খাবে জল দিয়ে বানাবি না তো
না যেটা তোমার ফেভারিট সেটাই খাও
বেগুন দিয়ে
হ্যাঁ
থ্যাঙ্কস গ্রেট Guys, the next two starters we have a Jamaican fish balls as well as some sheikh kebab. Let's pick this one up first. It's pretty tender, it's pretty juicy. I'm surprised it doesn't come with any chutney by the side. That's something I would have looked forward to. But there's something else over here, which is these mini parathas. So you can definitely enjoy these with the parathas and some onions. Right, next up we have the fish balls. Just look at this. that starchy texture which it has. Have it with a little bit of this special chef special dip. Both the ball items over here, the prawn as well as fish, are so good. Normally when you have balls, normally when you have meatballs, they're very dry inside, and not the ones over here. These are really unique. इस और को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे गिम्बल यूज करा
ये कौन लैंडस्केप को
আবার ব্লুটুথ অন করতে হবে
তো ব্লুটুথ না অন করে তুই ইউজ করছিস ইউ এক্সপেক্ট দ্যাট টু মুভ উইথ হোয়াট
ওয়াইফাই
ওয়াইফাই
ইয়া ব্লুটুথ কই ফোন
Alright guys, so the first main course which we have is a kung pao chicken, that is a mixed fried rice. Next up we have some mixed noodles along with some Yunnan prawns. The chicken in the noodles is slightly burnt, so doesn't make for a very good experience. The prawn, although it looks a little charred from on top, it's pretty juicy inside.
So I'm gonna give cherry wood flavor in this red ribbon chicken
Okay.
because cherry has a sweet and stubborn flavor. Okay.
So this is the first item which we're having. It's going to be smoked live on the table.
First time in Kolkata. Okay. Let's try it out.
Don't try this at home.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh.
So this smoke will be absorbed by the meat,
Okay.
especially because poultry is a good absorber of flavors.
Okay.
So now when you take the first bite, you're gonna tell me what difference you're gonna get in this. Okay?
I'm very excited by the way. I've seen these kind of presentation everything in Cartoon Network when I was small.
Now it is in reality.
Actually.
Okay. The smoking is done.
Okay.
Now we have to wait for a few seconds, like 3-4 seconds, so that everything gets. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Whoa.
Let's go.
Ta-da! So you have a barbecue dip with this?
Yes, it's a hickory sauce.
Okay.
Secret
sauce.
flavor.
Okay, great. So this is my gigantic piece of chicken leg. Just break this. It's so tender, as you can see, this comes off. That's my bite. This is so tender.
And the flavor, what do you get?
You're getting an aftertaste. The moment you bite into it, you're going to get a normal taste, alright? Once it's hitting you inside, you're getting a different flavor. It's very subtle, alright? Don't expect it to be very strong.
No,
it's
no,
not going to
no.
be that. It's going to be very subtle, but the theatrics behind it, it just is a different experience altogether. I can't believe I'm sitting in Calcutta and having this. কেমন আমি আমি তো ডিপ দিয়ে খেতে ভুলে গেলাম ডিপও আছে
Deep na এটা ডিম and potatoes.
আরে
Oh, sorry.
Okay, what we have here is the ringer burger.
Okay.
The specialty of this burger is we have 2 onion rings
Okay.
with barbecue sauce, equally flavored barbecue sauce, and the patty is smashed
Okay.
on the grill. It is not like doing a shape and put it on the grill. It
Okay.
is just putting a 5-ounce ball on the grill and we smash it.
Alright.
And the specialty about the cheese is that when you put the cheddar cheese, we have cream cheese also. Then we cover it and put chicken stock inside so that the flavor and the steam melts the cheese, and we call it a super melty cheese.
Okay. It's very difficult to concentrate when the chef is actually explaining it in this manner. Okay. I'm salivating even while I'm hearing him talk about this.
Yeah. And we serve with garlic fries and some caramelized onion and some butter fried mushrooms.
Okay. Butterfried mushrooms and this is caramelized.
Caramelized onions.
Great. Let's get.
Now we have to flavor it with the name of the
Which
restaurant.
smoke
That's
are we doing?
Hickory.
Hickory. Okay. You said it's bitter, right?
Yes. No, it's not bitter.
Stubborn is the word.
It's a little bit, strong flavor.
Okay.
So I like this one, so I named my restaurant as Hickory.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
There you go. Let's whip it up. Correct?
Yes, I do. It's got a little bit of a barbecue.
Yeah, this
yes.
is the one we use mostly used in barbecues.
Okay.
We have to wait for a few seconds so that the meat will absorb all the flavors of this hickory flavored wood. Okay. So now we can lift it up.
Are we ready? Easy. So this is your Ringer burger.
Yeah.
Okay. This is massive. I think this should be called a jawbreaker burger. That's how massive this is. You have two. Do you have two different patties over here?
No, only one type of patty.
What's the one at the bottom?
That's we have a grilled onion
Okay.
and we have donkey sauce inside.
No. Eta হচ্ছে তোমার patty. Eta what is this?
No. That's an onion ring. That's a chicken patty.
Oh, that's an onion ring. That's a
Yeah.
huge onion ring which you got over here. So it's going to give that crunchy texture. Okay. So let's just devour this. Are we ready?
How's the flavor?
I thought I had the best burgers at Siliguri, at Bohemia, and they are really good. Really, really good. This is now Kolkata's best burgers which you're gonna get, for sure. This is the best burger in Calcutta right now. It's juicy, it has the right flavors, it's cheesy, it's crunchy. It's because it's caramelized, you get the sweetness as well. This has everything. This is brilliant. বেশ নিটলি ডান এখানে অ্যাকোয়ারিয়াম এটসেট্রাও আছে আচ্ছা ওই ওখানে যেটা আছে ওটাও কি মাছ
হ্যাঁ মাছ
ও
ওটা ফাইটার
ফাইটার
হ্যাঁ
ওকে এই তো বেশ হয়েছে ফাইট করেছে বলে একলা করে লেসন এটা একটা লেসন কিন্তু লাইফে বেশি লড়াই টড়াই করলে একা হয়ে যাবে একা থেকে যাবে আর তোমার সাথে কেউ থাকবে না কালকে তো তোকে কেউ অটোতে চিনলো শুনলাম
এটা দিও না বাবা
কি বলেছিল আন্টি শক্তিক হ্যাঁ আন্টি তো ব্যাচ দেখেই হয়তো বলেছে আন্টি শক্তি
সব সময় রাস্তায় পড়ে থাকবো নাকি পড়ে যাবে না
আচ্ছা পড়েছিলিস না ব্যাচটা এটা কিন্তু বেটার হোয়াইট কালারের আছে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে
It's better, but I prefer the key. Ball?
The blooper king এখানে সাইলেন্ট করা আছে
Alright guys, so finally we have the dessert of the day, which is a cannoli siciliana. This is a Sicilian dish. Just break this open. It's like a cream roll. Incredible. This is so subtle. Crispy outside, very creamy inside. Not very sweet, the way we like our desserts. Pistachio is the way up. Have the owners of this newest Smoke Bistro Cafe Hickory, and we have Abhishek as well as Shoyoshi. Hi, welcome to Food
Hi
Spot.
everybody.
Hello. আগে বলো জায়গাটার ব্যাপারে. What is the concept behind
The
it?
concept behind this restaurant is the name is Hickory. Hickory is not just only a name. Actually, it's the name of a tree, which gives the perfect smoke for the barbecue items. It has a very unique and flavorful smoke flavor, which I want to put in every items. So this concept behind of this live smoke is that I want to give smoke in food in front of the guest, which is totally unique in first time in Kolkata. Right, Ravas?
Absolutely.
Okay. So I have like 7 to 8 types of woods which are all imported from US, and all of them have unique and decent flavor. So like we have poultry, fish and other meats. So some of the woods goes better on poultry, some of them goes better on red meat, some of them goes better with the fish. So I know which wood goes better with in which type of meats, and that one I will give in your food. So that's Hikori is about.
Shreyashi, tell us a little bit about the interiors. I was really impressed with the interiors. বেশ সুন্দরভাবে মানে ছোট একটা জায়গাতে বেশ সুন্দরভাবে তোমরা বানিয়েছো. So tell us a little bit about what went behind the thinking behind making this place.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা চেয়েছিলাম যে ব্যাপারটাকে এমনভাবে করব যাতে ব্যাপারটা ক্যাজুয়াল থাকে, যেহেতু পুরো কনসেপ্টটাই আমেরিকান ফুডের ওপরে। তো আমরা তাই জন্য ব্যাপারটাকে খুব সিম্পল রাখতে চেয়েছি, এবং তুমি দেখবে ইন্টেরিয়রটা একদমই সিম্পল, খুব একটা বেশি কিছু মানে গ্র্যাভিটি বা কিছু দিয়ে করা হয়নি, পুরোপুরি সিম্পল রেখেছি। আর লোকেশনটা তো জানোই, লোকেশনটা তালতলা মাঠ, একদমই সাউথ সিটির ক্রসিংয়ের পরের ক্রসিংটাই, একদমই সবাই মানে একভাবে ডাকেতেই এটা বুঝতে পারবে।
এই মুহূর্তে আমরা 12 to 12 করছি, পরে আমরা এটা ভাবছি ইনক্রিজ করব from 11 to 12.
11 to 12. All right. And are you guys available on Swiggy and Zomato?
No, not right now, but we are planning for Swiggy and Zomato.
Great. Thank you so much for having us over. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Tava. Thank you.
Hey guys, how was your experience over here today?
আমার মানে যাওয়া রিসেন্ট টাইমে রেস্টুরেন্টগুলোর মধ্যে ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট, স্পেশালি দ্য স্টার্টার্স অ্যান্ড দ্য বার্গার অ্যান্ড দ্য ডেজার্ট।
Actually, এই পার্টগুলো আমারও ভালো. What about you, Orko?
Yeah, I am also like the burger was amazing. It's a must try, and the dessert that.
That cannoli.
Yeah.
True. What about you?
I love the dessert. It was one of a kind, and the burger was amazing. It was like glazy on the outside and juicy. It was really good.
So that was our experience at Kolkata's first smoked bistro. I don't need to tell you much about this place. The burgers, for sure, you need to come and try out. Even the dessert which I tried was absolutely brilliant. অন্য কোনো জিনিস না হোক, এই দুটো item, these two items, you must definitely come and try out. Other than that, whichever items which I've reviewed, if you liked it, you can come and try. And let me know in the comment section how your experience was. Until next time, this is Foodspa wrapping up from the Prince Anwar Shah Road at the Hickory Bistro. Stay tuned for more such contents. Till next time, cheers.